Welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on L7 Dex. And as you can see, you can earn up to 1.5% per day. But what's even more crazy, folks, they already have 118,000 users. And folks, their LSD token is listed on Coinbase. But before I go any further, folks, I need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. I'm a super risky YouTube dude, another play in my collection, and I'm a clever content creator. Now, what you need to know is that you can lose some or all of your crypto and everything I talk about on my channel. How? Well, folks, this is the lottery. This is a gamble. This is a casino. And so you need to understand that you can come with risk capital or entertainment capital only, and then that way, if you lose what you have, you can still go to sleep at night. But folks, if you understand gambling and you like games, I think this is a great game and I like it a lot. But folks, I'm asked now that you go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. I'm gonna ask that you like it, that you do share it, that you comment on it, and that you do subscribe. Now, L7 Dex, folks, I've been in it for a while. I actually tried to get a video done when I was out of town, and then it didn't record right, and my internet was acting up. So this is the first video, even though I've been in it. I'm almost about 50% ROI already, which is crazy. But look, folks, L7 Dex, what is it? It's a decentralized, perpetual contract trading platform. And now, folks, with L7 Dex, after witnessing the frequent crashes by top cryptocurrency providers such as Luna, Three Arrows Capital, FTX, Genesis, etc., investors' insecurity about their assets has reached a historical high. Users' vigilance against these exchange shutdowns, bankruptcies, market manipulation, and asset misappropriation is also increasing. Although the centralized exchanges, which are called CEX, are still the core position for Web3 users, the trend of asset migration to decentralized exchanges, which is DEX, is becoming increasingly more apparent. The birth of the DEX can be traced back to the earliest counterparty in 2014. At that time, the platform provided the innovative feature of counterparty DEX, where all counterparty tokens could be traded on the DEX based on the Bitcoin network. Later, Ethereum's Oasis DEX initiated the first on-chain matchmaking settlement, becoming the early source of liquidity for platforms such as Uniswap and Dydex. After Oasis DEX, mature spot DEXs like Uniswap, SushiSwap, Curve, and derivative contract DEXs like Dydex, Kajira, as well as order book DEXs like D5 Exchange, which offer low slippage, aggregated liquidity, and multi-chain transactions gradually appeared. The DEX track is a significant segment in the entire crypto ecosystem. Future DEX will focus more on user trading sovereignty and how to exchange liquidity depth. L7 DEX offers the conventional applicability of a CEX for a DEX, optimizing the balance between liquidity, trading efficiency, and investment returns. And now, folks, it's a lot of big words in there, and not that I'm down talking anybody. And you got to understand that even if you don't understand all of the terminology I said, you don't have to do anything because they're going to trade it all for you. But now, for you guys that like to get into these projects and get into something more than just deposit dashboard, I think this presents a phenomenal opportunity. Now, more and more people are owning cryptocurrency. The number of global cryptocurrencies has exceeded 320 million people by 2023. Here's the current price of Bitcoin the day that this had did as of 5/17/2023. Bull versus bear market, the importance of consensus. And folks, we're in a bear market working towards a bull market. And then, folks, we're bracing for the once every 4 years halving event. Everybody's waiting for the May halving event for Bitcoin. Hopefully, you should be stacking yours too. Now, folks, you can see what happens when Bitcoin halves over the last 4 years. There's exponential growth by 23x this year in 18, 46x in 2016 here in 2012. In 2020, it was 21.8x. And so I think it's almost logical to think that in 2024, we should see somewhere in that average range, right? Now, Bitcoin halving countdown, we're counting down to May 24th, folks. Now, are you prepared for the up and coming market cycle? Well, L7 Dex can help you get there with the decentralized perpetual contract trading platform. Now, folks, this CEX or centralized exchanges, the problems that they had or challenges were users misappropriated funds, margin leverage, regulatory challenges, just to name a few. And the biggest one is platform scams and hacker attacks, as we all know. Now, centralized exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, OKX, and Huobi, but decentralized exchanges, as I had mentioned, are like your Uniswaps, your Sushi Swaps, Pancake Swaps, and Curve. And then here's the differences between the CEX and DEX. Now, folks, decentralized exchanges market sizes has been popular since 2020, but over the course of the last 2 years, folks, this has been increasing heavily so that you can hold the keys and be able to trade with liquidity yourself. Now, I'm going to get into the project just a little bit deeper, then I'm going to jump into the back office so that you can see it. L7 Dex is a decentralized perpetual contract plating platform and is based on Web3. So, folks, you're going to need a Web3 wallet, a MetaMask, or a Trust wallet. I prefer to use MetaMask myself. Now, it enhances trading experiences and reduces trading costs through its innovative peer-to-peer or PVPAM or PVPAM protocol and unique trading auxiliaries, creating a more efficient and fair trading environment. Moreover, the protocol's value can also be shared with users through smart contracts, reducing traders' margins rates while increasing the value for liquidity providers. Now, folks, this is the way it works, right? So there's no price discrepancies and no additional fees for transactions, maximum leverage up to 100x, maximum profit, transparent underlying trading mechanisms, traceable data on the blockchain, no KYC, folks, no regional restriction, ensures privacy, safety, free trading. So zero slippage, high leverage, fair and transparent, and no regulation. Now, folks, they also have this perpetual contract trading, so powerful trading value, over 200 mainstream currency trades, offers up to the 100x leverage on contracts, minimal liquidation, no early closeout liquidations. And then on the spot trading, the centralized order book trading method, over 400 mainstream currency trades, trading fees lower than traditional DEX or SEX, CEX, runs on chain, no fake trades, no hitting warehouse operations. So the advantages: faster transaction speeds, lower transaction fees, more trading pairs, better privacy, greater influence, and higher transparency. Now, folks, here's their economic model. They have a stable coin that is the LUSD, and it is equivalent $1 to $1 USDT. No pre-issuance, and then you can stake these. And so you're going to wind up minting the NFT through USDT, and the NFTs are pledged to generate the LUSD stablecoin. Now, folks, the platform coin, the LSD, this one goes up and down in value, and it's been cranking and going up. There's been a total issuance of 210 million tokens, and the reduction method is stake. Now, the LSD, as the utility and governance token of the L7 DEX protocol, is the platform original token offers a wide range of use cases and value interactions. So here's how the flow works, folks. You come in with your USDT, and then you mint an NFT, and then with the NFT, it's going to provide you the stable LUSD. Now, you can stake the LUSD, and it's going to give you 1.5% when you stake the LUSD, as well as the NFT, and then it comes out in LSD, right? And then now, folks, if you look down here, once you go from USDT to the NFT, you can convert the NFT into USDT, or you can go this way with the LUSD and convert down. And folks, it's just a 5% transfer fee. So very easy to understand. You make 1.5% off your NFT. It prints you out LUSD. The LUSD, you can stake it and make 1.5%. And then you can flip that to LSD, which does increase in value, right? Now, users can mint NFTs using these NFTs are staked. give you 1.5%. LSUD can be staked to produce LSD, the platform coin, which offers the return of 1.5%. The price of LSD will keep rising daily. LSD cannot be transferred, but can only be instantly swapped out for USDT. So you got to sell it back for USDT. NFTs have different values, and don't get caught up on the NFT. The NFT is just the package that you want to buy. So the NFT packages are 100 USDT up to 100,000. Now, instant swap fees, NFT to USD, 5%, LSU to USDT, 5%, and LSD to USDT swaps are 5%. Now, NFT staking times. If you stake it for 10 days, which you can do a short term, they take 30% profit of 30% of the profit. Now, you do 30 days, they take 25% of the profit. 90-day stakes are 20% of the profit. 180-day stakes are 15% of the profit. And then 360-day stakes, they take 10% of the profit. And then, so here's the reward system, folks. You must be an active user. You get 2 generations above, you generate 5%, and 2 generations below, you generate 10%. So you get 5% of direct or indirect referrals. So valued users who have minted an NFT with the value of 100 or more. And then you get 10% of direct or indirect referrals earnings. Pretty good. Now, folks, they do have these community rewards calculation. And then so you can see from these different levels from 20,000 all the way down to these levels, you can see what you can earn. Now, folks, USDT entrance, NFT staking, LSUD staking profit, LSD steady rise, which is going up, sharing rewards, multiplier community profit, node weighted dividends. Now, folks, they have a smart value protocol, they have a lending protocol, and other options. Staking, computer power token, and then cross-chain aggregation. And then here's their socials, which you can look them up as well. Now, let me go ahead and show you the back office of this project here. And I am logged into my MetaMask. And then this is what the dashboard looks like when you get here, folks. And then as you can see, I got some LSD tokens sitting here. No LUSD sitting right here, and just 0.8% USDT. Now, folks, you can see my NFTs. I have a $100 NFT, and then I have a $10,000 NFT. And then, folks, you can come over here and you can select from all the different NFTs that you want to choose from. Let me go ahead and get signed back in here. All right. Boom, sign. And then as you come back in, folks, you can see the different NFTs that you can choose from. And as you can see, you can get from a $100 NFT all the way down to a $10,000 NFT, right? And then, so folks, when you do this, you're going to need USDT on the BEP20 network, right? And then, so you got the NFTs, you got your stake page right here. And then you can see that I got some LUSD, that's the stable coin. And this is staked. And so I'm earning 1.5% a day on this staked amount right here. They have a very easy exchange right here where you can swap out from your LUSD right into you swap the LUSD or the LSD. And the only thing you swap into, folks, once again, is the USDT tether, right? And then you see I got 751 LSD tokens right here. You can easily come over here and click on your assets. You see that same 751. And then you can see that I'm staking down here, right? And then they have a community button here, folks, that you can come and check out the revenue from your referrals. And then you have all of your announcements here. And then, folks, you can come over and see the price of the token. You see it's at $1.83 right now. Now, folks, I got in this thing last month sometime, or maybe it's earlier this month. We're going to take a look. But I believe the token was like 80 cents when I got in. So this token has been crushing it. And so I have been deciding to hold on to my tokens. So let me go back here and see if I can find my stake. And then let me see here, income details. Let's see here what we got going on. How far back? This looks like 8/26. So it's been a little over 30 days for me. And sorry, I'm just now getting a video out. But it's been a little bit over 30 days for me, and it has been pumping. And then you can come over here and see your claim records. Your claim records is what you withdrawn. Started with 10,000, already withdrawn a total of 3,300 or so. And on a $10,000 NFT, this thing is cranking. And don't forget, I do have in my assets sitting here 751 tokens. And if you take that at today's price of $1.84, let's just round up and call it 1,500. I have 50% made it to my ROI. But folks, this is L7 Dex. I like it. It's pumping, it's paying. You know I like ROI dApps. So folks, I'm gonna go ahead and drop my link in the description of the video. And if you want to get started, it'll be right there. And then folks, if you want to find out about all the other projects that I'm in, anything I've been over for 30 days, I put on my website. I'm gonna get L7 Dex put on there as well too, but I needed to get a video done so that you can come over here and look and see the video as well too. But this is your gateway to passive income with crypto, forex, arbitrage, and copy trading. CryptoMadeEasy.net. And then also links to the Facebook, to the Telegram, to the TikTok, to the YouTube. And we have live Zooms every Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, well, by the next time you see a video, L7 Dex will be on the website as well. Well, thank you for listening. God bless you and peace.